Alright, so from section 8, this was one of the problems that we looked at on the other video, and we're just substituting in. So inside my parentheses I have 3 times negative 2 times 4 plus 2 times 4, and all of that squared. So following our order of operations, we have to do inside the parentheses first, and so I have a plus sign that separates these two products. So let's do all the multiplication first. So I have negative 3 times negative 2, which is negative 6, and then negative 6 times 4 gives me negative 24, plus 2 times 4, which is 8. Then I'll have negative 24 plus 8. Again, all these rules come back. So when I'm adding and the signs are different, I subtract the numbers and take the sign of the larger, and that will give me negative 16, and then I will square it. And we know that when we square it, it means it's negative 16 times negative 16, and two negatives multiplied by each other give me a positive. So again, making sure that we are being careful and moving along with those problems. Another one that we looked at talked about finding the mean. So it was with a Yahtzee tournament, because those apparently are huge. I make fun of it, but I would probably go. So 280 plus 196 plus 268 plus 120. And when we do an average or a mean, this is a mean to be specific, and we just add all the numbers up, and we had 4 numbers, so we would divide by the 4. So if we add up all these numbers, I'm going to use my calculator on this one. 280 plus 196 plus 268 plus 120, we get 864 up top, and then divided by 4. From there, we should just be able to divide to get our answer. So how many times does 4 go into 864? It's always good to practice some long division. We get out of the habit of doing it. So 4 goes into 8 twice, and then 4 goes into 6 once. There we go. And 4 goes in 24 6 times. So the average score for this one would be 216. Another one, they're talking about markup. And this is just understanding the idea of markup, and we'll just do one of them. So the minivan, my right of choice, I have 2 young ones. So if the invoice is $25,900 and there's a $300 markup, I wish. If that was it, we're adding that markup and we get that final price of $26,200.